Step into the world where your phone isn't just a device, it's a gold mine. With the X Marks the Spot program, transform your regular phone into a treasure trove. Discover 5 underground strategies to make money and earn rewards, all in the palm of your hand. Picture this. You're not just an app user, you're a savvy strategist navigating the app seas like a seasoned pirate. With this program, you'll uncover hidden strategies turning that app into an earning tool, all while avoiding buyer's remorse and unwanted purchases. So, are you ready to sail? Get ready to unveil hidden treasures, build your empire, hoard wealth, and curate your booty. From identifying overlooked opportunities to creating irresistible offerings, each module offers actionable insights that transform your app experience into a journey of prosperity. Still wondering if this is for you? Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, an entrepreneur, a college student, or a gadget lover, X Marks the Spot is your ticket to achieving financial growth. Secure your spot, dive into the journey of success, and embrace the path to greatness today.